Today I'll show you what to do if your keyboard does not work on your ASUS A15. So first of all, you can have your on-screen keyboard on your screen, so you can use it with the mouse. So usually guys, if your keyboard doesn't work, it's usually a hardware problem. But first we'll check if the solutions work. First, go to your Windows search, type device manager, or you can just right click on the window button and go to your device manager. Once you're there, you need to find keyboards. Just click on your keyboards and you see I have the standard PS2 keyboard. So just right click that and uninstall your device. Then after that, you're going to your Windows again and restart. Don't worry because it will reinstall once you've restarted your laptop. Next thing you can do on your Windows search again, go to Windows Update Settings. So just go ahead and check for updates because this may be one of the cause of the problems. Now after that, close this window and then just go back to your Windows search and go to Run. And here you just need to follow what I've been typing. Now just click OK and try to restart your laptop again.